We have several, I think, great examples of designing practice or training to be very hard and more fun than simply doing a rep over and over again. And I think ample evidence that learning happens. But the thing is that sometimes these methods are not that acceptable among the more conservative players in the professional ranks. For example, one desirable difficulty is a stress inoculation kind of set of procedures. Stress inoculation, just a general term that helps players to get comfortable with anxiety and things that might happen. And so one of my basic premises was, if I can, for example, contrive a batting cage where I'm throwing the ball 105 miles an hour, which I can't do, but by moving up, you're simulating a 105 mile an hour fastball, then a player is not going to fear very much a 95 mile an hour fastball, and he's going to be used to a speeded up kind of environment. But interestingly, even some batting champions that I've worked with do not like to be tested or to have things be too stressful, like before a game. In baseball, for example, hitters like what's called soft toss, where the coach or trainer simply flips a ball to them and they hit it. Well, obviously, any one of us could recognize that that's nothing like the inclination of the pitch, the speed of the pitch is nothing like what he's going to face in an hour when he goes out there on the field. So, but yet they have become comfortable with this, and in some cases it raises their level of confidence, but not competence, which is what we're more concerned with. We misunderstand the ideas behind confidence. Players are obsessed with having confidence, and coaches think that the verbal persuasion method of telling them how good they are, and you often hear players and coaches talk about, he needs to know how good he is, so we all contribute to that, telling him how good he is, but I think it's of limited value. The more important thing is inactive mastery. So a player actually has experienced success confronting that stressful circumstance. So he internalizes that success rather than just someone saying you're good and that should be it. But actually having success, knowing that you can do that.